Welcome to Devices Help and Support, your ultimate destination for all things related to the device's setup, troubleshooting and optimizing your tech experiences. Are you guys struggling with weak Wi-Fi signals? Don't be panic. Today we will solve your problem in just few minutes. So in today's video we will discuss how to set up Mercusys AC10 wireless dual band router. If you're looking for the best Wi-Fi extender that easily extend your home Wi-Fi, then this video is specially made for you. Basically, the Mercusys AC10 is an AC1200 dual band router that provides up to 300 megabits per second on 2.4 GHz. So without wasting any time, let's start the setup process. I hope in the end, this video will prove helpful. Firstly, unbox the router box. Inside the Mercusys AC10 wireless dual band router box, you typically get the router unit, a power adapter to supply electricity, an RJ45 Ethernet cable to connect the router to your modem, and a quick installation guide to help with the setup. Turn off your modem/ONT, internet device from ISP. Connect an Ethernet cable. One end in the modem/ONT LAN port and the other end is WAN port, blue, on the Mercusys router. Plug the power adapter into the router. Turn on the modem first, wait 1 to 2 minutes. Then power on the Mercusys router. Wait about 1 minute for the router LED lights to stabilize. Connect to the router, Wi-Fi or LAN. You can connect using, via Wi-Fi. Check the default Wi-Fi name, SSID, password printed on the router label. Connect your phone/laptop to that Wi-Fi network. Via LAN, connect your PC to the router using a LAN cable. Launch a web browser and enter http://mwlogin.net in the address bar. You'll be prompted to create a login password, if it's the first time, or enter the password you previously set. The router will ask for your connection type. Choose the correct one. First is Dynamic IP, DHCP, most common, GeoFiber, Airtel, ACT, BSNL FTTH. Second one is PPPoE, requires username password, provided by ISP. And the last one is Static IP, enter IP details given by ISP. Click Next. You can set 2.4 GHz 5 GHz Wi-Fi networks. Choose a Wi-Fi name, SSID, create a strong Wi-Fi password. You can keep same name for both bands or separate them. Click Next/Save. Router will reboot. Reconnect your phone/laptop to the new Wi-Fi name you created. Setup complete. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. In case you face any type of difficulty, you are free to contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. Our experts team will always guide you. Thank you so much for watching our video. And lastly, don't forget to like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel Devices Help and Support. Stay tuned for more updates.